Okay, I wanted to give you guys kind of a little break from the creepiness. This is an example of how we mark sites. This is one that is currently being set and restored. These are what we call markers. It's a very eerie feeling. We are trying to set the way things were, but unfortunately, so much of this is in disarray that you have to be very careful where you step. You're not sure you could be stepping on a stone or not. There are a lot of them. Let me show you an example. There are a lot of them that have been buried for a very long time. They're partial. Even over here we have some. And we even have some of the ground which is giving over here, which tells us that there is probably another site to be restored beyond this one. And I'm getting that feeling again, so yeah, that's the restoration process. You saw in the earlier video the stone that was being put back together slowly. This is also part of the restoration process. This will be long and tedious, but well worth it in the end. May these souls rest peacefully.